So here I've taken 3 cords of green, and this is 3 mm, and also 3 ply twisted cords, as you can see here. And these are 1 meter cord length cord, and I'm going to take one of them, fold into half, and make a double hitch knot in the middle. So just take one side, go through like this through the loop. One loop is done. Now I'm going to do the same one more time, and this is more like a double hitch knot, as you can see. And now pull this one. So here you can see the double hitch knot is done. Now I'm taking the rest 2 cords and tying on this using double hitch knot again. So fold it, the next 1 meter cord, put it under here, and now go over it and make a double hitch knot. It's better to hold around here, or you can put the pin around here, or you can put pin around here, but when you're making the knot there, it doesn't help, because you will be pulling through the cord, and you have pinned it here. So it's better to hold around here, and then this is half hitch knot, and then go over and do the same thing again, and then we completed double hitch knot. Now pull these 2 and pull it to the end. There we go. And do the same thing again with the next 1 meter length. Okay, so now the 2 cords are tied around here. Now bring the first one and tie double hitch knot using the next these 2. And with this, okay, now you tie the middle 2 using double hitch knot. There we go. Right, and now I'm going to bring this top one down and tie double hitch knot with these 2, and I'm going to do the same from this side. Okay, now this side. Okay, now I have these 2 in the middle. I'm going to tie them just like the first time using double hitch knot, and again we have this V shape. Try repeating the same step 2 more times. There we go. Again, tie 2 middle ones. Now I'm tying the same step 1 more time. Here we go. So we're done creating this. Now we need 5 of these, so now we have 6. Take 2 first and try to join these two. So what I'm going to do, take two middle cords, the two first cord basically from the side, and tie a double hitch knot. Okay, and I'm going to do the same with these two. So we are basically having 3 on both sides. So leave these 3 and tie the first one and one from both sides, which I've done. Now I have this one here, this one here, so I'm going to tie the next 2 on here. So completed. Now I'm gonna do the same here. Okay, so leave these and take the middle ones and tie on each other. Now we have 1 cord on both sides. There we go. Okay, so join all of them. So what I'm going to do next is join this one on this. So take again 2. So let's separate it this time so that you know what I'm doing exactly. 3 cord and 3 cords, keeping these 3 away. Okay, now take 2 middle ones and tie double hitch knot on each other. There we go. Now take this one and tie these 2 and tie these 2 on this one. Okay, so let's finish tying these. So I'm basically doing the same thing I did here. And then continue adding these. So here you can see I have attached all 7 here, and I'm going to finish the corners of each, and then I'll be attaching these 2 together. So to finish the corner, take the 2 middle cord . So basically we're creating this V shape. Do the same. Okay, so you can see these are all joined. Now I'm going to do the middle part, this part. There we go. So do this and then do these 2. This much. Okay, and do it everywhere. the same. Just tie one this side, one the other side, and then these two together. Right, so finish this part in this one and this one, and then finish when we have finished this joining these two, this part. Okay, so now you can see this middle part I've done for this many, and now I'm going to finish the adding, and then I'll be finishing this middle part. So, okay, so fold it like this and complete the adding part as we did for others. So take two middle cord and tie just like this, and then tie next two on this side and the other side as well. Okay, now again take two middle cord and now tie the last one here and last one here. Okay, now we're finishing these corners with this V part. Okay, once the corner of this side is done, I'm going to finish this part, which is again take two middle cord and tie one on each side, and then one the middle ones, and do the same here. The corner again we have. Okay, so now we have these two corners left, which I'm going to finish now. So on this bottom part, what do we want? We want this to be this much shorter. So to make it short, now what we're going to do after this part, I'm going to leave these four and take these ones and tie a double hitch knot like this. All right, and like this. So now you can see we have tied on these two. So now you don't have this corner, so we're going to take this one and tie using this one. Okay, now keep doing it.